Guess what we're doing today? We are going to bake some Christmas cookies. It's going to be fun. Buster, are you ready to make some Christmas cookies? Christmas cookies? Let's get to it. Yummy. Christmas cookies for dogs. When you're baking, your dog likes to sit right there and is like, hey, can I help? I'm surprised you're not on the chair. That's because they're pushed in. Yes, we're making cookies all day. This is plain Greek yogurt. We put a little bit of food coloring. It's supposed to be red. We're going to probably put one more drop of red to make it red for Christmassy. But yeah, we're using this as the icing, which is cool. Buster, you want to try a little bit? He's like, no. Yes. Is that good? There you go. Enjoy. Aw, good job. He likes it. But yeah, it's plain Greek yogurt. Guys, it might be a little mini fail because the green is gone off these cookies. But that's alright. We're going to let them cool. We're going to probably put some green vanilla, not vanilla, cheese. Green Greek yogurt on here as well, like we did with the red one. We'll put a little bit of green one for the icing. But yeah, it's alright. The dogs will love it. Buster. And then when we see Egypt on Sunday, she'll eat it too. Well, we put, they didn't turn right? So we put food coloring in the Greek yogurt, the plain. So now we're gonna have that, and then we're gonna swirl red food color, yogurt on it. It's gonna look cute and Christmassy, I think. Yeah. And then Buster will get to try it. Yay! And here's what they look like decorated. They look perfect. You got the icing just for dogs. A little bit of sprinkles. Not too much. You don't want to put too much sprinkles. But I mean, they are good. And moderation's key. If you don't feel okay feeding your dogs these, then I suggest not to. But I mean, moderation's key. And this is a snack. Not an everyday thing. So, and Buster has had cookies before. So, these are good. Buster, are you ready to try? Okay, one moment. Alright, Buster's gonna try one. These look pink, but they're supposed to be red, but it's alright. And yeah, I think they look good. I can't wait. He's ready to try it. Alright, let's try it. Yay! Oh, okay, 1 second. Alright, Buster's gonna try it. Okay, sit. Wait, alrighty, here we go. Let's see if he likes Christmas cookies. Oh, he's licking the icing. That's okay, he'll eat the cookie. He's like, this is good. I never had this. Oh. I think he likes it. Yeah, it's on a paper plate. There you go. Alrighty. I think next time I'll probably break it in half. Sir, you're going in the dark. I can't see you. He's like, I'm trying to. Do you want me to break it, Buster? Nope. Okay, he's eating it. Hold on. Is that good? I think Buster likes it. He loves it. Good boy. So, yeah, it's a win. Good job. Alright, you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's the Christmas cookie video. Buster enjoyed them, and I hope you guys will try them. Let me know if you tried them for your dogs. It was fun to make. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give it a like, hit subscribe, and we'll see you guys again soon. And share, because sharing is caring. Hug your pets, and have a wonderful day and a wonderful Christmas. And we'll see you guys again soon. Bye. Yeah, he wants some more. No more. Not right now. You're so cute. Okay, bye.